How you going, guys? Mechanic Shivy. So now we're onto the eccentric shaft. Okay, so the previous video before this, you would have seen the neutral position of the spring, so it eliminates us from taking off these springs. I've cracked the bottom bolts, and I'll just show you. All it is a quarter drive because they are up to 10 newton meters. Okay, let's go ahead and make sure I haven't broken that. Just a lot of oil sludge in it. That's okay, and it's slowly going to wheel itself out like so. So I'm going to start from the middle here, just bit by bit, and I will go over the installation process on this. Don't worry. It is a bit. You will need some hardware for the job, like M6 by 1.0 by 30 mil bolts to drive it back in, and then we're going to be re-swapping out the bolts for the genuine ones again. So just work your way around it. Work your way into it, sorry, and then because these are still under tension a little bit, so take your time with it. And this is where the hand gloves come into play, because if you drop these in the injector well and injector ball, they're not going to go anywhere but just sit in the hand glove. So you can just take them out. So we'll get that light going now. So yeah, now this one's almost out. Now they're all going to slowly start coming out. And just let this one's under tension. And just take it on, wheel it. And I am going as slowly as possible. In fact, the shaft just wants to get flown out, really. I'm just going to start taking off these caps individually. I'm going to start in the middle. Now these, you will have to change the needle roller bearing on these, and I will go over how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to try and put these caps in the same order I put them off. Very, very important. So if they've come from that spot, I'm going to put them right back in, and I think we're almost out. So I'm just going to give these a whirl. So the next video is going to be how to change those bearing caps, and then we're going to put the new shaft in. You're going to have to prepare a bit, you're going to have to clean up the rock covers. So a lot of work still there. So now I'm pretty happy with that. So what I'll do, I'll leave the middle one till last, and I'll just wheel it out. So I'll wheel off this cap now. I'll wheel out this cap here. And you will see those caps in there. So now it's stuck on 2 caps, but I think only the middle one's under pressure. I think this should be, yep, not on pressure now. So it's good. And this one as well. This one's under a little bit of pressure. So a little bit of spring tension. And we'll have to remove those caps on the cylinder head side as well. Okay. Okay, this is the final one, and then the cap should be about to fall out. So I'm just going to be holding that shaft. She's still under a bit more pressure, which is a bit risky, but it's slowly coming off. It is moving, so it's not too bad. And then do the top slowly. At this point, do the bottom maybe a bit more. Now, shaft is moving freely, so now I'm safe. Quite good, quite good. There we go. That's the last of it. And now our shaft is free. And I've got my mark there, so I'm going to mark it in the new one. This is how it's going to go back in. This angle here. So this is the actual whole shaft. There's the eccentric shaft, baby. Alrighty. Now I'm going to pop the camera out. I'm going to show you something. These also have correlating bearing caps. Okay, so these caps are going to have to come off. Okay, maybe a very fine screwdriver or what. They do have a dowel in the middle, I believe. So, so the next video is going to be removing these caps here. Okay, so that one just decided to move a bit. So yeah, so they are moving. So here they are. That's one. Left, wiggle them left and right, and then you can lift it up. You can lift it up, and so just stick with that left and right movement for now, and they will come out like so. They are on a little dowel. Okay, so I have to remove these. This is what the bearing slides on. So we got one more after this. Okay, that's perfect. Well, that one just came out like that. So yeah, shaft and bearings out. Same thing on the bearing caps. You're gonna have to do that too. Alrighty, so